For graphing, we're going to talk about two methods. One of them would be graphing from standard form using the intercepts. So for example 1 here, I have 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. First thing I would do is find my x and y intercepts. So if x is 0, y would give me negative 2, just solving for the y value here. And then if y is 0, x would be negative 3. I have my 2 points, and I can draw my line. It is that simple with standard form. For slope-intercept form, like this second example here, we're going to start by graphing the y-intercept, which is your b value here, down at negative 3. Once you have that graphed, you can use the slope to get a second point. You do your rise up 1 over your run to the right 2, because that's the positive direction there. So the rise was up 1 over 2. You could do this for multiple points if you wanted to, or just 2 points to define that line, and then draw your line through those 2 points. For the next two examples, we have horizontal and vertical lines. To graph x equals 4, you would first graph your x-intercept at 4, and since the only variable you have here is x, your y's can be any number, but your x's are always going to be 4. So you go straight down through 4 and you create a vertical line. For the second one, we have 5y equals 10. You should get y by itself first to make it easier to graph. So when you get y by itself, you should get y equals 2. Plot your y value, and your line needs to go straight through that y value of 2.